Good evening. My name is Luyandza Wandz Umuti Zwane, all the way from South Africa. And what a day. Today I'm seated here just to briefly speak about my experience and speak about what really inspired me to come to Texila. Firstly, besides my mother, who is a PhD graduate with Texila, faith is what brought me to this institution. I left Africa not knowing where I'm going, but indeed I came to an institution with the hope that I would find something that I was truly praying for. I remember entering Texila as though I was entering a place of spiritual worship, a place of high prestige. I entered Texila humble, with total respect, with the hope and pray that indeed I will find and receive what I so long to have. Fast forward, the gestating period was long, and with so many experiences and so many things that have happened in the journey of medicine, I have maybe a few experiences, quite a few, but I would like to highlight one or two. The first experience that I would like to highlight is quite one that is interesting and funny, in the sense that it happened in basic science, where the road was tough and I felt like I had reached a dead end. I had a conversation with the then pathology lecturer by the name of Dr. Antonio Jeffrey, may his soul rest in peace, who at a time of need I sat with, and at the time when I was about to give up, because this is a very frustrating journey at times, he said something profound to me that stuck with me with all these years. He said, "Luyandza, this journey, I would like to let you know that the great God who lives is both a lawyer and a physician." I was shocked, but then he explained, he further went down to explain. He says, when the great God gives his commands, he commands in his capacity as a lawyer. However, everything that he does, at the bottom he signs in the capacity of a physician. So this journey that we have taken is one that is godly, and walk it with pride. That, till this very day, to me is profound, and it really hit home. The second experience is one of the clinical experience, where after basic science, I felt like I know stuff, only to find that no, it's a beginning. Remember, once you reach the top of a mountain, you realize, oh, there's many more mountains to climb. Once again, I was at the bottom of the pack. I remember entering the surgery operation room, a doctor telling me, quickly go get this. I remember taking and rushing and running, not knowing that you do not run. I was thinking that I was doing the right thing, then everybody was looking at me, why are you running? I felt embarrassed. Maybe that's one of the experience that I have, which is funny in my opinion. However, time went by, and the one thing that Texila has cemented for me is the South African principle of Ubuntu, which means that a person is a person because of people. I am because you are. And that Texila has cemented it, and it showed through the vision of the president that indeed Texila is a university in which we are united in our diversity. And for that, I want to just say thank you to the president for his vision, and for allowing a child to read and study and become leveled up with other doctors and other surgeons. So to the president, thank you for your vision, and God be thanked for you, and indeed God be thanked for books.